Most business owners either lead with their product or their purpose. The ones who combine both, who let purpose shape what they build and how they build it, are the ones who are really successful and they actually leave something behind. I'm Ben Johnson, I'm a small business coach and an AI explorer, and I would love for you to come along with me on that journey. Think about the difference between a lantern and a spotlight. A spotlight is powerful. It illuminates exactly what you aim it at. A lantern fills a room. When your mission has real purpose behind it, not just goals and deadlines, but a genuine reason that your work matters, it works like a lantern. It doesn't just light up the bottom line, it lights up the people working toward it, the customers being served by it, and the community that benefits from it. Writing authentically and working with purpose are connected. The clearest sign that you know why your business exists is that the way you communicate in your own voice, not in a marketing language, actually sounds like someone who believes what they're saying. Write a paragraph in your own words about why your business exists beyond revenue. What does success actually look like for the people involved in your team, your customers, and your community? Give it to Claude and ask it to help you turn that paragraph into a short piece of content in your own voice. What comes back should feel like you on your best day, not a brochure. That's the intersection of purpose and presence, and the people you work with can feel the difference. If you want a framework for building that across all 6 areas of your business, download my free AI-powered business flight plan guide. The link for that is down in the bio.